All right. Morning. We are late again. I don't think I've made a single stream on time yet. We're gonna get ready real quick here. We're gonna start. Actually, stop. Ugh. It's also yeah, it's 18% today. I don't necessarily have it on my chart watch list because I've never traded it before, and I don't really want to watch it because it doesn't look like a stock I'd want to trade. I will keep it up just to see how it trades, but I don't plan on trading it. All right, look at what looks good. Marble is down 7%. It's trading R1. Don't love it. I do like this one. Iron. Potentially for a short. Don't really love the move it made this morning. It's just kind of stuck in this tight range, which this will likely sell off to 35.70. Don't really want it to move before the market opens though. PLTR is getting called out right now. I've been Zynga. Looks like it's prepping to break out. I don't know if it's already broke out yesterday, so it could be a continuation play. RVL, NRN. Make sure we have all these. There you go. On the other screens, we got 2 minutes till the open. Firm. Do kind of like 2. Came up guard 3. It went through it though. I'm likely not going to trade anything today because I'm super late and I just didn't really have time to prepare everything. Now we got 30 seconds to the market open and my screen clipping function ain't working. Firm looks like a short. Iron looks like a short. Gave me at 6 seconds before. I hope it doesn't do it twice, which it probably will. See if I can Paste this real quick. A firm squeezing up. Where's the volume? Volume's on PayPal. Affirm. Marble. Video's sign off. Firm squeezed up. What is PayPal doing? PayPal's way down. Got a large volume in the first 1 minute candle. Alright, what's NVIDIA look like? Iron. Tesla's looking for potential breakout to the upside. $60, $689. R3 breakout. We can go. Big orders at 360. 60-minute looks strong. We took a long. Just went through pre-market high. Let's see if it can continue. $58.50. I think we're going to take our first partial if we go through it. Uh-oh. So here, entered here, put my stop below VWAP. Don't necessarily. So I don't leave my stops in the level 2 because I get wicked out a lot. And I don't know. It seems like I don't get wicked out as much when I don't leave them in the level 2. 359, I'll probably 56, 357. Because if it breaks through 358.50, I'll take my first partial. I'm targeting 360. There's a large bid up there, or large ask. Alright, let's see what PayPal's doing. No, it's not good at all. Looks like it's going the opposite way there for you. Alright, Tesla. Looks like it might come and stop me. See, there's that wick. Look at that. It's exactly what I said. Oh my god, that's why I don't leave them out there. I would have got stopped on that. This, obviously you want to stop when it comes down. That would have been right above my stop, my original entry point. Alright, we're going to take a quick partial here. Didn't get filled. See if it wants to fill me. Come on. Come on. 8 shares. Come on. There we go. Alright, we got our first partial. See if we can go through with 359. I don't like how it's trading this choppy. Does look like a good 5-minute ORB with a nice pullback. But honestly, this thing, if it breaks that wick, yeah, I gotta get out right here. I didn't move my stop to break even because I'm still looking for this thing to go long, but right here, if it breaks below, yep, gotta go. I'm out. Too choppy. Okay, so we got, what do we got? PayPal looks like might go higher there, man. Sky high with the 5-minute engulfing off S4. That would have been a good long. Tesla, man. I hate those wicks. MRBL looks like it broke below. It's probably done one of those. Oh man, we missed it. We could have entered on this candle at the 223 area. I don't want to chase it. If we can pull back. Oh, you know what? We're gonna try it. Why does it? Okay, that's pre-market low down here. So this is basically shaping up to be a 5-minute engulfing. It broke through VWAP down, faked it out, came back up through VWAP and held. A better entry would have been like right here, 223 area. Let's see if it can go pre-market high. We'll take the first partial. Actually, let's hold. We're taking one. Where could this thing run? 60-minute candle makes a hammer doji or a hammer candle. S6 is right there. 227. Take one more. Set our stop to break even. Let's pull up the market Alex. See where it could go. So yeah, look at Tesla. That good fake. High CPU detected. Yeah, that's the other thing. The computer is keeping up. It looks like the BBT guys are trading Marble as well. Alright. We're in with 3 partials. Let's just hold here. I don't see any crazy high bids or asks. It looks like it's actually more bearish on the market atlas. RM. LAFRM firm looking like wants to be a short. I did like how Intel looked pre-market, but I didn't have it on my list. See. Yeah. Oh man, it did exactly what I thought. Intel. It was down at S3. What I've seen is if it's testing R3 or S3 pre-market, like this is on Intel. Oh, it actually tested R4 right at the start of the day. 10 minutes into, outside hours. Ten minutes in, it came down and tested S4. Chopped around VWAP all day. S3, never made it back below. Came down here right at the open, wicked below VWAP and held. This could have been a nice 2-minute ORB. Right here, entry. Put your stop. You can put it at blue VWAP. You can put it at the bottom of this body, candle body, for a tighter stop, higher rate. More chance of getting stopped out. But this thing ran probably 4R within the first 10 minutes of the market open. I'll keep the marble trade up since we're in it. But yeah, it looked like it was going to sell off after that rip. Funny part about these partials is they're 10%, so I only got 0.1R out of them actually, so it's, yeah, this is going to be an early day. I'm probably going to follow out in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Get to work because I got a bunch of stuff to get done. We got some numbers coming out in a minute. Chicago PMI, Purchasing Managers Index, that tells you what procurement people are paying relative to the last time they reported. It's yellow on the impact, so it's not really going to do much. It's just something to be aware of. I use Forex calendar, Forex factory calendar to track these things. What is Sky High? Sky High is one that I'm looking to get in long term, but it has chopped between 130 and 190 since it IPO'd about a month ago, 2 months ago. So I'm just not ready to enter. I guess I could start building a small position. Looks like Marvel is going to come down and stop me out. These bids are way down there, so I don't know that it'll necessarily. Yeah, I could run. It already ran to 219. This big one is at 218. I don't know. We got a small trade out of it. Yeah, just stop me out. 47.1 versus 50, so that's way low. That should help currency. That should help the. I think that would help this five, but like calling out SpaceX. I don't like how it looks. Intel was the trade today. I wish I would have kept that on my watch list. I did like how it looked pre-market. That was on me for not keeping it. PLTR is selling off here. There's some more news coming at 10. Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. And I guess Warsh is speaking at Jackson Hall he's starting at the same time. Ooh, affirm. Yeah, the Tesla trade stopped me out. You know, realistically, maybe I should have stopped out at break even. I got that one partial in. And if it doesn't go, why hold it? I mean, I was looking at the level 2 or the market atlas, thinking that it was definitely going to go up. But you can see how choppy it was. I do like my entry. Yeah, that, oh man, the trade yesterday, I think it was Tesla. Well, let's see what it was. I'm pretty sure it was Tesla. No, yeah, it was Tesla. No, it was Nvidia. I don't know if I got a screenshot of it. No, I didn't. Nvidia came right down and I took, I think 4 trades on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I took one short, then I switched, went long. Then I went long again. It was holding R3, so I got out before break even. Once it broke this wedge or compression zone, I'll show you real quick. But basically, I saw this doji above R3 with a hard sell-off afterwards. Huge volume on the doji. I decided, oh, this is a short. Took the short, watched it wick. Decided, alright, I don't like it, I'm getting out. Alright, flipped my position to long. Got a couple partials. I believe the market atlas was showing this bullish as well. Stopped out at break even. It came down, tested this, decided to go long again once it held above VWAP. Then it couldn't break through and run after R3. Decided I don't like it, getting out again. Plotted these this wedge lines. Once it broke through here, oh, it definitely had high asks on the market atlas in level 2. Boo boo boo, chopped around, chopped around, chopped around. I think my first partial was pre-market high, and it came and stopped me out right here. And if I look at what it actually ended up doing yesterday, yeah, so it came down and stopped me out in this 5-minute candle right here, and then it decided, boop, I'm gonna run all the way up to, yes, well, I guess that's literally yesterday's high. But basically it ran all the way. Oh, that was also, yeah, it doesn't make sense. You can't do that. Alright, well, I didn't really see anything I loved today except Intel, and I didn't get it, so I missed that one. That would have been a good one. That would have been a really good trade. That would have been a one and done. Down 0.3R, 0.35R, and I am not going to trade anymore. Durno looks like it could be a short. Don't doing. I was selling off now. Just like it looked bearish on the L2 or on the Atlas. I ran chopping around VWAP. PLTR looks like it's getting ready to break out right now. Actually, it was PR. Looks bullish at first glance. Huge ask at 190. Big one at 188. Another one at one. Oh, that's not. It's just massive at 190. I don't know. I don't love what it's doing right now. TR. This is not that clean. Does look like a long, but volume's pretty low today too. I think the volume's too low. I'm not gonna trade it. Okay. I think I'm done for the day. I don't see anything I love. Tesla actually looks like it could be a short. Green to red. It's got a shooting star doji on the 60-minute. That's gonna close in 5 minutes. I mean, I don't know what the. Ooh, PLTR about to go, aren't you? I don't love the Atlas, but let's see if we can zoom in a little bit on it. PLTR is priming itself. Is it gonna go? Hi, Korean, blah, 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 blah. What's the L2 look like? Huge bid at 215. I don't know. PLTR could be rejecting. Tesla, everything's going the opposite way as I think it's going to go. So that's when I know I shouldn't be trading. But SPY rejected R3, Q's rejected PDC, IWM's doing the opposite off of S3, PLTR. I think PLTR. Ho ho ho. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done trading today. Everything's doing the opposite I think it's gonna do. Glad I didn't enter any of those. I tried one on Tesla, tried one on Marvel, Reset, Tesla, yeah, Marvel. Look at these wicks and these candle bodies on the 5. That's terrible. And the level 2 Atlas looks bullish, yet the price action is bearish. I mean, what's going to happen with this? There's just not enough volume on it. It's probably what it is. Nvidia's got the most volume out of anything on the watch list. PayPal's got a lot. Iron, what's that doing? PLTR is selling off. Alright, I'm out. I am not going to be on next week. I have work travel. I will not be trading at all. So we'll see you guys the week after next. Good luck. Keep it green. And we'll catch you later.